What if you could get an AI coding agent running on your machine in under a minute with no subscription and no complicated setup? Well, I'm talking about this Freebuff coding agent, and in this video, I will show you how to install Freebuff, test it, and see what it can do easily within a single command. So let's get started. So I just simply copy this command npm install and this, just copy this and come to my IDE VS Code, and here I already created a folder that is to do app, and I just simply open it within this IDE, and I just simply open my terminal. And here what I'll do is we need to install the Freebuff npm first, and for this you have to make sure that in your system you have installed the node.js or npm, and then you can easily install this. I just simply paste here the copied command and just simply click on enter, and here it start installing the Freebuff and it is successfully installed. And the next thing that we do is we already in our project and we already installed this Freebuff. So for running this Freebuff, we just simply in the terminal just simply paste this and just click on enter. And now here you can see it is saying me downloading, and it's downloading. So, and here you can see it's now completed and it is starting this. And it is now showing me the Freebuff interface. And as I already sign up it with GitHub, so it does not show me here the sign up option. Okay, so in your case you have to sign up this with the GitHub, and then you can use it. And now here what we have it, like we just simply select the models here. Like we have here two models like Mimo 2.5 and DeepSeek V4 Flash. So for now, I just simply select this model, and here we just simply type the prompt here. So for now, I just simply write here, make a to-do list app using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. So I just simply write this simple prompt and just simple click on enter. And here you can see it is showing me building, and it's building now, and it's creating, and now it is reading my project folders. And now here you can see it create this index file first, working on it, and write the code within it. That's great. And I just simply see it, and here you can see it write this code properly, data is setting, and it write the style.css file. That's great, amazing. It write 400 lines of code. It is very fast. And now it's writing the JavaScript. That's it. And now I just simply come back here, and now what I'll do here is like I just simple left this running same as it is, and now I just simply check it on my end, and for this I just simply open this with live server, and here you can see it's opening and it make the amazing site. And now I just simply add here Laravel Vue.js and just simply click on this, and here you can see it added, and I just simply make here to completed active and this, and when I'll just simply select it, I'll make it clear, make it in active directory and completed as well. Okay, so this is great, amazing. So that's how it make, and that's how this how powerful this agent is, and we can use this in our daily tasks or our project for fixing the error or anything, and it is capable of fixing all the things. And one more thing that I want to tell you is like uh, its limit is refresh after every 5 hours, so you can use this easily for your tasks and things. And and uh, that's it for this video. We installed the Freebuff, tested it, and saw how easy it is to get started with this free coding agent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thought. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.